In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Excel sheets into Smartsheet. To begin, you will first need to access Smartsheet. Go ahead and log in to Smartsheet using your normal login method. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm that you are on the main dashboard or the area where the left navigation menu is visible. This matters because the import option is located in that navigation area, and you will want it available before you continue. Next, look to the left navigation menu for the Create button. You should see a plus icon next to the Create option. Click that Create button now. When you do, Smartsheet will open a menu that gives you several ways to start building or bringing in data. This is the place where you tell Smartsheet what kind of content you want to add, and in this case, you are importing an Excel file. After you click Create, select Import. From there, you will choose Import Microsoft Excel File. This option is specifically designed for Excel data, so it will guide Smartsheet through the process of reading your spreadsheet and preparing it for import. Take a second to make sure you select the Microsoft Excel import path, not another import type. This ensures your columns, rows, and sheet structure are interpreted correctly. Now you will be prompted to select your Excel file from your computer. Locate the file you want to import, and then click Open. At this stage, Smartsheet is uploading your spreadsheet so it can process the contents. If you have multiple Excel files, just make sure you are picking the correct one, especially if the data is similar across versions. When you confirm the file is selected, wait for Smartsheet to move to the Mapping and Import Setup screen. Once the file has been loaded, you will see the Import Setup, where Smartsheet helps you connect your Excel data to Smartsheet fields. The key part here is mapping your Excel columns and rows to Smartsheet properties. Mapping means you are telling Smartsheet which Excel column should become which type of column in Smartsheet, such as text, date, number, or other field types. Look carefully at the options shown on screen. For each Excel column, you should assign the matching Smartsheet property so the data lands in the right place. As you map the columns, pay attention to how Smartsheet represents the destination fields. Some fields may already be suggested based on the header names in your Excel sheet. You can keep those suggestions if they look correct, or adjust them if they do not. This step is important because accurate mapping helps preserve the meaning of your data, and it reduces the need to fix formatting after the import is complete. You will also need to select your sheet location within Smartsheet. This is where the imported data will be placed. For example, you may be asked to choose a workspace or a specific sheet location depending on what Smartsheet is showing you. Choose the location that fits your workflow, so the imported table ends up where you expect it. After you have mapped the columns and set the sheet location, you are ready to import. Click Import to complete the process. Smartsheet will now create the new sheet or populate the destination sheet based on your Excel file. Give it a moment to finish, and then review the results to make sure the data appears as expected. If anything looks off, you can go back and adjust mapping, but often a careful mapping step up front leads to a clean import. That is the full process for importing Excel sheets into Smartsheet, and that covers everything you need to know.